All right, let's talk about OpenTelemetry. It's this amazing technology that's basically becoming the universal language for understanding modern software. And trust me, it's at the heart of a huge shift in how we keep an eye on our systems. So let's just dive right in with a really important question. Why is it that the apps we build today, the ones that are supposed to be super powerful and scalable, are so incredibly hard to figure out when things go wrong? Well, the culprits are all right here. Our systems aren't just one simple program on one server anymore. Oh no, they're these sprawling, complex webs of microservices, containers, and serverless functions scattered all over different clouds. And all that complexity, it creates a massive visibility problem. Bottom line, you just can't fix what you can't see. And that visibility problem leads us straight into what I like to call the telemetry tangle. It's this situation where trying to get data from all those different pieces just ends up creating, well, even more chaos. Okay, before we try to untangle that, let's get our key term down: telemetry. At its heart, it's actually pretty simple. It's just the automatic process of gathering data from your systems, things like performance numbers or error messages, and then sending it somewhere you can actually use it. Now, telemetry data really comes in three main flavors, which are often called the three pillars of observability. First, you've got your logs. Think of these as a running diary of everything that happens, like an error popping up. Then you have metrics, which are all about the numbers, CPU usage, response times, that kind of thing. And finally, you have traces, which are just so powerful. They let you follow a single request on its entire journey through all your different services. For the longest time, though, every monitoring tool had its own special way of collecting this data. And it was a complete nightmare. You'd get locked into a single vendor's ecosystem, you could never line up your logs with your traces to see the full story, and trying to find the root cause of a problem took forever. This meant expensive outages and, let's be real, some seriously frustrated developers. But what if there was a better way? Well, this is where our hero, OpenTelemetry, or OTel for short, enters the scene. It's a universal standard designed to fix this exact mess. The official definition really hits the nail on the head. OpenTelemetry gives you a single standard set of tools to generate, collect, and send out all three types of telemetry data we just talked about. And the key thing is, it's not a product you buy, it's an open source standard for everyone. And its goals? Honestly, they're revolutionary. Remember that vendor lock-in problem? OpenTel solves that by being completely vendor neutral. That means you can add the code to your application just once, and then you're free to send that standardized data to any tool you want. It gives you total freedom and flexibility. Now, this is a super important point. OpenTelemetry is not another dashboard, it's not another monitoring platform, it doesn't store or analyze your data. Think of it as a universal data pipeline. It collects data from all your sources, puts it into a standard format, and then lets you choose which tools, like Datadog, Grafana, whatever, get to receive it. That's how it breaks the lock-in cycle. So how does this pipeline actually work under the hood? Let's take a quick peek at the mechanics. It's simpler than you might think. It really boils down to this elegant three-step process. First, you instrument your app by adding the OpenTelemetry code, its SDK. Second, a piece called the collector grabs all that data. And third, the collector exports that data to whatever observability tools you already know and love. Simple as that. Okay, so we know what it is and how it works. Now let's get to the fun part. Why is this simple standard such an absolute game changer for the entire software industry? This table just says it all, doesn't it? Look, tools like Prometheus are amazing for metrics, and Jaeger is a beast for tracing. But OpenTelemetry is the only one that's vendor neutral and was built from day one to bring together all three pillars: metrics, traces, and logs. It gives you the whole story, not just a chapter. And this isn't just some theory or a cool idea. We're talking about more than 1,000 companies that are already using OpenTelemetry right now, today. The adoption has been massive, and it's just getting bigger. And just look at who's on board. We're talking about the biggest names in the business: Google, Microsoft, AWS, Netflix, Uber. These guys aren't just using it, they're actively building and contributing to the project. This is the entire industry saying, yes, we need a common standard. When you look at how monitoring has evolved over the years, OpenTelemetry just makes perfect sense. We went from monitoring servers to monitoring apps to monitoring microservices. OTel is the natural, inevitable next step in that journey. It's what enables real full-stack observability for today's world.
And it's really the foundation for what comes next. Think of it like this. OpenTelemetry provides the clean, high-quality, standardized data. That data then becomes the fuel for AIOps platforms, which provide the intelligence, automatically spotting problems and pointing you right to the root cause.
So let's just boil it all down. What do you actually get? You get true end-to-end visibility. You find the cause of problems way faster. You get to instrument your code once and be done with it. And you're building on top of an industry-wide standard, not some proprietary tool that might disappear tomorrow. So let's wrap this up. What is the single biggest takeaway here? What does this all mean for you? It's this, right here. You have to understand that OpenTelemetry is not just another shiny new tool for your toolbox. It's a fundamental shift. It is a global standard that is going to define how we build and understand our complex systems for years to come. And that really just leaves us with one last question to think about. As our applications get more and more complex, we have to ask ourselves, is our monitoring approach stuck in the past? Or is it ready for the unified, observable future that OpenTelemetry is building? Thanks for tuning in.